Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use live wallpaper after any iOS update on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, let me tell you that iOS 16 and 17 has not this feature to use live wallpaper on your iPhone or iPad. So let me show you here. I have updated my device to the latest version like iOS 17. You can see here guys, but unfortunately you cannot see live wallpaper option in iOS 17. You can also check by tapping on wallpaper, by tapping on add new wallpaper. You can see here guys, there is nothing like live wallpaper. So if you want to use live wallpaper guys, you have to open App Store, and after that you have to download this type of app which name is live wallpaper. So after downloading the app, tap on this one. Now once you have done this, you have to wait some seconds. Now you can see here guys, here is a cross icon, tap on that. Now you can see lot of wallpapers. You can see here guys. So wait some second from here guys. As you can see guys, here are the live wallpapers. So these are the trending live wallpapers. So if you want to use these live wallpapers, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap on get this wallpaper option. Now you can see here guys, in background lot of wallpapers are available here. If you want to use these live wallpapers, you have to pay 3,150 rupees per year to use these. Okay guys, so that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.